In this video, I will show you how to delete your app download history on your iPhone. Well, you can't permanently delete app download history on an iPhone, but you can hide the apps from the purchased or downloaded apps list in the App Store. Let's see how to do it. First, open App Store on your iPhone. Now make sure you are signed in to your Apple ID. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top right side. Now tap on Purchased or Apps. You can either tap on Apps or Purchase History. Let's tap on Apps. On the next screen, tap on My Apps. Here you will see the list of all the apps you have downloaded in the past. So to remove an app from the apps history, simply swipe left on the app that you want to remove. Now tap on Hide and the app will be removed from the download history. Note that there is no option to select and hide all the apps at once. You will have to manually hide each app one by one. By hiding apps from the list, you are basically cleaning up the App Store download history. So that is how you can delete your app download history on your iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.